How to make egg fried rice. Place a large wok onto your cooktop. Turn on high heat. Add the following: splash of oil, 1 large diced onion, 3 diced garlic cloves. Stir. 2 diced carrots, 1 diced capsicum, half a cup of sliced spring onion, half a cup of diced bok choy. Stir for 5 minutes. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Stir. 2 eggs. Stir. 2 cups of day-old jasmine rice, thoroughly mix together. Salt, pepper. Stir. Let's have a taste. Yuck! Oh no, looks like you added too much onion. Let's start again. Splash of oil, half a large diced onion, garlic cloves. Stir. Carrots, capsicum, spring onion, bok choy. Stir. Sesame oil, soy sauce. Stir. 2 eggs. Stir. Jasmine rice, mix together. Salt, pepper. Stir. Let's have a taste. Perfect. Serve and enjoy. This egg fried rice only took a couple minutes to make. Try it out for yourself today. Bon appetit.